Hello guys, I hope you are doing great. Today we're gonna study about the load balancer. So it's a very important topic whenever it comes to a system design. You must fully understand it. So in the previous video we have studied about the horizontal scaling and how we are going with n servers in our approach. But there's a question arises whenever you are using n servers. Let's say there's a user u1 and it wants to send a request to your servers. Okay, then out of these n servers, which server will serve this user's request? Either it will be this, either it will be this, either it will be this. Which servers will serve this? Yeah, that's a very important question, and here comes the load balancer in the picture. Load balancer is nothing, it's a very simple server. A very simple server that sits between your system and the clients. Clients can send a request, then it's the job of load balancer to redirect that request to the appropriate server, whether it is S0, S1 or S2 or S3. So load balancer is simply redirecting the requests of the clients to a particular server. So in very simple words, very layman language, load balancer is routing the client's request to a particular server. You're just balancing the load that is coming to your server. So how it does it? How it routes the request to a particular server? It uses various algorithms, and we will talk about very simple algorithm over here by taking a modulus of the user ID by the number of the servers. So let's say we have 10 users. Okay, 10 users we have, and we have 5 servers from S0 to S4. Okay, and let's say now the request comes from U0, and we take a modulus by the number of servers, that is 5. That comes out to be 0. So this will be served by server 0. Similarly, when the request comes from U1, it give us 1 and it will be served by S1. This way, load balancer will do this very simple operation, and it will be able to divide or route the request to the particular servers according to this algorithm, according to the based upon the user ID. I hope you are very much clear about the load balancing functioning. It is a very crucial part that it plays in balancing the load when you are going for a scale and when you are going for a horizontal scaling. Thank you. Stay tuned for more learning.